Hi, I'm Steve Chamberlain. I am lead technician here at Sector 111, and I'm here to show you how to change your brake pads on your standard Elise or Exige. First, we're going to start with the standard front caliper. First, remove your R clips. Then, by pushing in the spring, remove the lower pin. Remove the spring, then remove the upper pin. Pull out your pads, first outside, then inside, and then install in the same direction, inside and outside. Install the upper pin, aligning the hole. Install the spring, then install the lower pin. Then reinstall the R clips. And now to change rear brake pads, remove the upper caliper bolt. Slide the pin back using an 1/8 inch punch. Remove the pin holding the spring and remove the old pads. Using needle nose pliers, turn the piston clockwise and in to put the piston back all the way in. Add in your new pads. Reinstall the spring. And pin. First through the spring and then the first pad into the second pad. And run the pin. Tap it the rest of the way with the hammer. And bottom it out with your 1/8 inch punch. Slide the caliper back into position. After adding red Loctite, put your bolt back in the upper caliper bolt and torque to 33 foot-pounds. Now you know how to change your brake pads on your standard Elise or Exige. For more information, go to sector111.com or call us at the number below.